Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson A Visit to Cambridge. The lesson is composed by Firdos Kanga, a journalist of India. This is the story of meeting between two extraordinary people, both of them disabled. First one is Stephen Hawking and second one is Firdos Kanga, the journalist and author of this lesson. Earlier, England was important to the author only because there was Cambridge. Now it had a greater appeal for him. He had met Stephen Hawking there during a walking tour. Stephen Hawking is a disabled person. He is the successor of Isaac Newton and has his chair at the university. He is a brilliant astrophysicist. He is also the author of A Brief History of Time. It is the biggest bestseller of his times. My dear students, please pay attention. The tour was over. The writer found Stephen Hawking's house. Hawking's assistant attended the telephone call. He told the assistant that he had come from India. He added that he was on a wheelchair. He mentioned that he wanted to write a book about his travel in Britain. Then he expressed his desire to see Stephen Hawking, this time for his meeting the professor was fixed. It was from 3:30 to 4. The interview began on time. The writer felt that the disabled got fed up with people asking them to be brave. They got stronger on seeing somebody like them achieving something huge. The computer voice replied that Professor Stephen Hawking hadn't ever been brave. He had no choice in it. Thank you.